Nice and easy. You got it. There it was. What's up, Orlando? Dr. Jones from Infinite Wisdom Chiropractic. And today we have Orhan here. Orhan came in a couple months ago dealing with sciatica pain. Started in his low back on the left side, radiated down into his glute, and would sometimes affect and go down into his leg. I want Orhan to tell the story about how we've been able to help him out. So go ahead, Orhan. What were you dealing with here?
Yes, I've been dealing with this injury for 3 years. I didn't find any cure. I was going to different chiropractic. I got recommended by neurosurgeon, to do the surgery on my lower back, and I postponed that. I was using medication, gabapentin, for almost 3 years before I find Dr. Jones and this place.
Yeah.
It's the first time I feel the relief, and I have pain-free days. I'm back to the normal life, not using any medication since I start coming here. Not even a leave or a Advil or anything. I'm very happy with the results.
Yeah, man. We're happy too. So we're going to do something special today. We're going to walk through how we've been helping him out specifically. So go ahead, face down for me, Orhan, on the table, okay? All right. So we have Orhan face down on the table here. We're going to walk through how we've been able to help him heal from this sciatica. We've been really noticing when he came in first that there was a little off balance with his hips and pelvis. And there was also a lot of tension in his low back on that left side, and primarily on the glute where that sciatic nerve lives. Okay, so basically we've been treating down and through his back where that sciatic nerve comes out of that L4, L5 disc space. So if you come in with the camera, you can see we have the spine here, the disc here, and basically what happens is when the disc becomes degenerative, it can push out and it can bulge just like that, affecting that sciatic nerve. Going to the source of the problem, he was feeling most of his pain down into his glute. So we really are focusing on correcting his alignment in his pelvis, but also working through this glute so we can help heal the sciatica. Along with that, we're going to check up his whole spine. So we're working up into the mid-back. Now I can already feel a lot of tension here, so we're going to do our first adjustment right in here. Deep breath for me, Orhan. There you go. And let it go. And there it was. So we got a beautiful release there in the mid-back. Feeling into his low back, a little bit of tension here. So what we're going to do, go this side up for me, facing me, Orhan, okay? So we're going to do a specific adjustment into his low back to help give that nerve, that sciatic nerve, the space that it needs so it's less compressed. Perfect. There we go. You got it. So again, sciatic nerve comes out of this L4 and runs down the back into the glute and down the leg. So we're going to connect to that spot. We're going to do a little roll. I got you. Nice and easy. You got it. There it was. So along with chiropractic adjustments, we also use shockwave therapy to help heal sciatica. Chiropractic adjustments are great. It helps create space and decompress the spine so the nerve can breathe. But we have to correct the soft tissue and the muscles as well. So we're going to use our state-of-the-art shockwave here, right into the low back where that sciatic nerve comes out. And what this technology does is it delivers sound waves into the area, and those sound waves can penetrate deep enough to start to break up the muscle tissue, can start to deliver fresh blood into the area, fresh nutrients, things that are needed for the body to heal. So we're going to work into it right now. We're going to turn it on. This treatment lasts about 2 minutes, so we're going to continue to work through it until it's done. Perfect. Okay, and that's it. That's how we've been able to help Orhan. We use chiropractic care and shockwave therapy, and we're able to help heal the sciatica that he's been dealing with for 3 years. So there you have it, a full walkthrough of how we were able to help Orhan finally heal and overcome sciatica. Now, he's been dealing with this for 3 years. He had to rely on pain medications, and it was interfering with his quality of life. And if this sounds like you're dealing with low back pain or sciatica that's getting in the way of enjoying your life, then call us today or book your appointment using the link below. Our phone number is 407-203-2753. Again, all you have to do now is just book your appointment by using the link below, or give us a call and we'll put you on our schedule so we can finally help you overcome and heal from sciatica. And guess what? We're doing something very special, taking $100 off your first visit, which includes a detailed examination to figure out where the sciatica is coming from, your first chiropractic adjustment, your first shockwave session, and your first decompression session. That's a huge value. Again, $100 off. Take advantage of it. Put yourself first. It's finally time to start to heal from sciatica and low back pain. See you when you come in.